Hello, if you want to play music on your Apple Watch Series 10, there's like few ways how we can do this. And the first one, of course, we can find here like access into the streaming services. So when you open this apps menu, you should be able to find the Spotify. Yeah, there was the Spotify as default, but I actually uninstalled it. So we can actually go into the App Store if you did it, like in my case. And let's search for YouTube Music, for example. YouTube Music. Go for search. And as you can see right here, we can simply download this streaming service, log in, and when we have the cellular data, or for example, when we are connected into the Wi-Fi of our iPhone or any other Wi-Fi network, we will be able to listen to the music, when we are using like our earbuds, right? But also there's a speaker, so the sound comes from the speaker. Also, we can use the music application. So on your Apple Watch, go into this application, and now, as you can see in my case, there's nothing is playing. So you can control the playback of your iPhone, but you can also add the music and the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. You can also streaming from your iPhone. So if we have Apple Music or similar app on our iPhone, we can control playback directly from Apple Watch by opening the Now Playing app and selecting our desired content. And that's basically it, the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.